Hi, howdy, hello. I'm Angel, and I'm back in the Head Hutt. I'm kind of excited. Still got more to do, but I'm also back in my yoga pants. I know, it's all imperfect and stuff, and that's the great time to remind you, you don't have to be perfect. You don't even have to wear yoga pants to do a little yoga. Check in with yourself. I put mine on today, though, just to make sure I can dig them out of the drawer. Anyway, I'm going to do the headstand part of my day and invite you to follow along with whatever feels good in your body. Challenge you to do a little bit extra for yourself. That's what I'm doing with my headstand part of the day. I like to do 100, I call them any reps, but they've kind of settled into a standard kind of rep. I just realized I'm real close to the wall over here. I'm going to do just a little bit of stretching before I get started on those 100 reps. And as I was saying, I like to remind everybody there's not one way, not one right way, one wrong way to check in with your body, give yourself a little more love. Wellness and fitness are processes, not destinations, although it's good to have destinations and goals. Like I have this goal of doing a headstand every day and a minimum of 100 reps every day, and I walk every day and bounce every day. I have a lot of goals, but really it's about the process of doing those things. It's not about the goals themselves. Those are just checks, ways to get myself through the process. I'm hitting that roof there, but I'm going to count it down anyway from 99, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 90, 89, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 80, 79, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 70, 69, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 60, 59, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 60, 59, I think I did that, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 50, 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40, 39, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1. There you have it. Short and sweet and silly, just the way I like it. I hope you remember and to love yourself a little bit more. I encourage you to be silly because that's how I like it, but you do it how you like it. Thanks for being you. Thanks for letting me be me. Don't forget to check out the description or something and support me somehow. Give me a thumbs up, a comment, a share, a subscribe, check out my Etsy store, buy one of my books, something. Thanks.